Good morning students. Welcome to SST So Simple tutorial. Students, your syllabus is over and exam dates have also come. It is time to sit seriously now and prepare for the exams. Start your revision, do a few practice papers. But you must be acquainted with the sample paper provided by the board. Go through the sample paper properly. Today, I am going to discuss one particular type of question called assertion reason type. Such questions are nowadays asked in various examinations such as NEET examinations, PO examinations and even in CAT examinations. So, let us understand them. These are higher level questions. The objective of giving such questions is to judge your knowledge and with it your capacity to reason out effectively. That means it tests your logical and reasoning capacity. In such questions, two statements are provided. The first one is called assertion, the second one is called reason. Assertion is simply a statement which presents an opinion. Okay. Reason means an explanation about that particular statement. These two statements form a pair of assertion-reason statements. There may or may not be a relationship between the two. Generally, there is a misconception that reason has to be the cause of the assertion statement. No, we have to read and check whether it is so. Then there will be 4 or 5 options given. You have to read those and choose the correct one. Let us see all these through examples. I will take well-known facts so that you can understand easily. Question number 1, assertion, that is statement A. When lightning strikes, the sound is heard a little after the flash is seen. Now reason, R. The velocity of light is greater than that of the sound. When you read the assertion statement, what comes to your mind? That this statement is true. Whether it is based on your knowledge or your observation, sound is heard only after the lightning. Now, when you read the reason, what comes to your mind? That this statement is also true. Now, let us see the options below. A. A is true, but R is false. Just now, we came to the conclusion that both the statements are true. So, we can reject this option. B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. We will leave this statement for a moment and see which other statements can be rejected straightway. C. A is false but R is true. Here we can reject this option also since both A and R, that is assertion and reason, are true. Let us see next option. D. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. I am leaving this option also for the time being and see the last option available. E. Both A and R are false. Since both A and R are true, so we can reject this option also. So, which all options are left? Option B and option D. Both of these options accept that A and R are true, but differ on whether R is the correct explanation of A. Now, since we know what is the velocity of light and what is the velocity of sound, so we know which travels faster. This helps us to come to another conclusion that R, that is reason, is the correct explanation of A. So our answer will be option B. When lightning strikes, the sound is heard a little after the flash is seen because the velocity of light is greater than that of sound. So try to relate the reason to the assertion with adjectives like because, if, so that, and check if the reason is making any sense towards assertion. We will see few more examples. We will see some examples of this type and try to figure out the diversity of the questions that will be present in the exam paper. Let us see. Question number 2. Assertion A. It is colder on mountains than it is on plains. Reason R. When altitude decreases, so does the temperature. When you read the assertion statement, what comes to your mind? That this statement is true. Now, when you read the reason, what comes to your mind? That this is not true. Options. A. A is true, but R is false. This is true. Just now we came to the conclusion that A is true and R is not true. But then we will not choose option A at the moment and move to the next question. We must read other options too. Option B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. We will reject this option because R is false. Let us see the third option. C. A is false but R is true. We have seen that A is true, so we will reject this option too. Let us see the next option. Option D. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. We know that R is not true because temperature decreases with increase in altitude above sea level. So we will reject this option. Let us see the last option. E. Both A and R are false. We know that A is true. So we will reject this option also. So finally our answer is option A only. Let us see another example. Question number 3. Assertion. A ship rises as it enters the sea from a river. On reading the assertion, I find that the statement is true. As I said before, such questions test not only your knowledge but also reasoning capacity. So knowledge of the matter is important. Let us read the reason. Reason R. The density of seawater is higher as compared to river water. So this is also true. Now we will read the options. Option A. A is true but R is false. Just as we rejected the wrong options in the previous questions, we will do the same now. We will reject because R is also true. Let us read next option. Option B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. This seems to be the answer, but let us wait and see other options. Option C. A is false but R is true. Since A is true, we will reject this option. Option D. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Here again, since both A and R are true, but we will wait for the moment and see the last option. Option E. Both A and R are false. So we will reject this option also. Now we have option B and D left with us. We will analyze them. Since both A and R are true in both the options, the answer will come from the remaining part of the sentence. That is, whether R is the correct explanation of A or not. So connect R with A using because and check. A ship rises as it enters the sea from a river because the density of seawater is higher as compared to river water. This is perfectly alright. So B is the correct option. Agreed. Let us see one more example. Question number 4. Assertion A. Indian President is the head of the state. This seems to be alright. Reason R. Indian Parliament consists of President Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This also seems to be alright. Now let us see the options first. Here we can reject options A, C and E without delay because both the statements are true. Then left with options B and D again. On reading them again, we see that there is no relationship between them and there is no question of R being the correct explanation of A. Hence, D is the correct option. Now, I will give you a question to answer before I show you the sample paper provided by the board. Assertion A. Tamil Nadu gets most of the rainfall in winter. Reason: Tamil Nadu gets rainfall from retreating monsoons. Now do this and write the correct option in the comment box. Let us see the sample paper now. This is the sample paper given by the board for 2020 examinations. Question number 19. In the question given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct option. Assertion A. Not every good or service that is produced and sold needs to be counted to know the total production in each sector. This is a true statement. Reason R. The value of final goods already includes the value of all the intermediate goods. This is also true. This question is taken from the chapter Sectors of the Indian Economy of your economics book. Written. Options. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is correct but R is wrong. A is wrong but R is correct. So we can reject options C and D. Now we are left with A and B. So what will be the answer? You find out. Let us see the question paper of 2021. Question number 16. In the question given below, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct option. Assertion A. Different people have different development goals. This is a true statement. Reason R. People want freedom, equality, security and respect. This is also true. Let us see the options. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. In this question also we can reject options C and D without wasting time. So left with options A and B only. Now you find out the answer. My dear students, I hope you have understood the assertion reason type questions. Since they are given in the sample paper, you should be ready to face them. Practice few more from practice papers. See you soon with a new video. Till then, happy reading and have a nice time. Thank you.